welcome to channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your SBI PO class, that is your class 32, which we had done your 31st class in the last session, and that is your SB State Bank of India PO exam data analysis and interpretation. In the last class we had done the section 1, which is your reasoning ability, that we had covered up. In this we had covered up your 85 question of the session. We'll start discussing about the 86th question of the session. Before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and remember you can also enjoy the video as well. Here the question that you have to study the given table carefully and answer the questions that follows. Where the number of the people staying in 5 different localities and the percentage breakup of men, women and children is then that you have to answer it out with the given table, the information that has been given, and then you have to answer the following question. So let's go for it. So here we go. Number of people staying in 5 different localities and the percentage breakup of men, women and children in them. So here we go. Locality, total number of people, then we have your percentage, men, women, children. And that we have as follows. So let's go for it, and we'll be having a data here. So for the locality F, the total number of people is 5,640. Men is 55, women is 35, and the children is 10. Now for G, locality G, 4,850, 34, 44, 22. For locality H, 5,200, this is 48, 39, 13. For I, 6,020, 65, 25, 10. For J, 4,900, 42, 41, 17. So here we go for it. Eighty-sixth question. The question is, what is the total number of men and children staying in locality I together? And that is the options we have: 4,115, 4,551, 4,515, 4,155, and none of these. So let's go for it. What is the total number of men and children staying in locality I together? Although the option is 4,115, 4,551, 4,515, 4,155, and the fifth is none of these. Let's go for it, and that's what we have to figure it out. So percentage of male and children in locality I equals to 65 plus 10 equals to 75%. Number of male and children in locality I equals to 6020 into 0.75, which equals to 4,515, which is option third will be the right answer for this question here. Now we go for another one, and that is we talk about for 87th question of the session. So here we go. 87th question we have is, the number of women staying in which locality is the highest? Options are H, I, F, G, none of these. So हमें इसमें हर एक के लिए number of women जो staying in that locality one by one each locality के लिए हमें find out करना पड़ेगा, so that we'll figure it out which will be the highest one. So here we go for it. First we'll write it on the question, that is your 87th question. The number of women staying in which locality is the highest? Options are H, I, F, G, none of these. Let's go for it. So we'll go for it. Number of female in locality F equals to 5640 into 0.35, which is equals to 1974. Number of female in the locality F is 1974. Now we talk about for locality G, locality H, locality I, locality J. Number of female in G, it is 4850 into 0.44, will give 2134. Now number of female in locality H, which is equals to 5200 into 0.39 equals to 2048. Now number of female in locality I equals to 6020 into 0.25 equals to 1505. Now number of female in locality J is 4900 into 0.41 equals to 2009. So here the maximum number in a locality that we have, so maximum number is 2134, that is locality G. So maximum number in locality G. Now let's go for it. That is your G is your fourth one. Let's go for another question, that is the 88th question of the session, and that is of course being important one. So 88th question of the session, let's go for it. 88th question. The question is, what is the total number of children staying in locality H and I together? So that is options is 1284, 1278, 1827, 1728. None of these. Let's go for it. What is the total number of children staying in localities H and I together? The options are 1287, 1278, 1827, 1728. None of these. Let's go for it. So here we go. Number of children in locality H goes to 5200 into 0.13, 676. Now number of children in locality are that is 6020 into 0.910, that is your 602. So required number 6766 plus 602 goes to 1278. 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 6 is 12, so 1278 that we have as an answer. So 1278 that we have is your option 2 will be the right answer. Now we go for 89th question of the session, and that we have as follows. The question is, what is the respective ratio of number of men staying in locality F to the number of men staying in locality H? Options are 517 ratio 416, 403 ratio 522, 416 ratio 517, 522 ratio 403, and none of these. So let's go for it. 89th question. So what is the respective ratio of number of men staying in locality F to the number of men staying in locality H. पाँच सौ 17 रेशियो 416, 403 ratio 522, 416 ratio 517, 522 ratio 403, and the fifth one is none of these. Let's go for it. Required ratio equals to 5640 into 0.55 upon 5200 into 0.48, 3102 upon 2496, 517 upon 416 equals to 5117 ratio 416. So here the options we have is the first one, that will be the right answer. Now we go for 90th question. That is another important one, and that is the last question of the session as well. The question is, 90th question is, the total number of people staying in locality J forms approximately what percentage of the total number of people staying in the locality F? That is the question here. and that is options is 81, 72, 78, 93, 87. Let's go for it. Total number of people staying in locality J forms approximately what percent of the total number of people staying in locality F? Options are 81, 72, 78, 93, 87. Let's go for it. So required percentage equals to 4900 upon 5640 into 100 equals to 87. That will be the right answer here, which is 90th question of the session. So here we're going to end up with. Thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you.